Oh.
Yung healer. On me.
Si Chop yung healer.
5 seconds yung crop ko.
Saan kayo banda?
North.
Steep.
Ay,
On
three
steep
steep.
kami.
Portal north.
Sabihin mo kung kakrap ka
Oo.
Saan ka?
Ito, kaklap ako. Ito.
Patay! Nice one.
Yo!
Nice one, boy.
Hey guys, we've got gold outposts to go get. Okay.
bro. 1-2 IP.
Habulin nyo yan. Smile yan, no? Stage 4. Tayo natin yan.
Ay, sayang.
Ay, sumabot.
Ito.
Nice one. Yan ba yung healer?
That's up the gold outpost.
Yan.
Gold?
That's up the gold outpost. Yeah, and then gold out.
Let's go, guys!
Let's go. We're gonna take 4 gold outposts.
Oh, yung nakahiga dito.
Gravity Legion, all the villains. What else is there?
Diba, white sila.
Wala nang kalaban. Ubus.
Yung may gold outpost tayo, dalawa Ano, may death tank tayo.
Oh.
Tingnan nyo IP ko 1-2.
Oh, nandito naman si Ningling. Tara, patay natin yan.
5 minutes
Wow,
na.
ano ba?
Kawabang.
Oh, higa na naman siya. Leave me. Oh, sino to? Yan yung pinatay natin. Siya yung pinatay natin. Ay, naked.
We run brawl or clap?
Si Bomski.
We run brawl or clap?
What do you want?
Did you die, Zencha?
Narit ko si.
To, Sancher, oh. Tingnan si Arzen. Cosplayer.
Should we run brawl or clap? Which comes in one?
May nagdadala ng core, oh.
Go club. But I'm not massing
Yeah,
yet.
we'll go clap. Okay, let's go.
Naka-broto. Naka-gloves. Guys.
Ayaw. We're doing shitter thing.
Bro, why is Linghurst 100 people? I'm like, Bedford died and Bridgewatch died and Marlock in a fight.
That was just randoms, by the way, Hackard. Those were randoms
Oh.
that fought them, and they got wiped.
I had Fort Sterling like 25 people. We got like a 25-man Bedford clump, and we couldn't wipe it. The DPS hit too late. They hit into the cleric cows.
Dito sila.
Uy, balik.
Dito din.
Nag-OC.
Yan, parang may narinig ako nag-OC. Yawa.
Ang mahal.
Ang layo, narinig mo.
Malayo ko
guys.
sila. Kaya di ko alam
Come to the last slot, guys. Let's go.
Bro, it's 55 minutes.
Oh, they're here.
Man, we got stuff to cap. We got 3 outposts to cap. Listen,
Si
guys,
Chop
we're gonna go
yung
for.
healer. Si Chop yung healer.
We are
Kung
gonna
sino
go
naman
for
si
Bell, Tundra, Edge,
Paklap ako.
and Wood, and Blade. Okay, that's what we're gonna go for.
Nice one, guys.
No, tell me Arjun is also doing
Yeah, he's here. Patay si Sancher.
We're doing portal ganking.
Hey, wait for me.
What?
Didn't invite me?
Uy, heal!
Zen,
We're doing portal fucking heal!
Arjun, what are you doing,
No, Graveguard.
bro?
Patayin nyo yan.
Interested, Hackard.
Iron Fist to guy.
Ang lambot mo kasi, walang walang spec.
Wala na nga akong mana eh.
Walang spec.
Oh, may mga bubble ka pa.
Patayin nyo yan.
Arut tagay.
Lot again.
Order your looter. Come on. Faster.
No gold post.
Patayin yung healer na yun.
No gold
4
post.
seconds.
Magka-zone in? Hindi.
Zen, mag-gold Zen.
Mag-gold tayo.
We're gonna do gold. Just chill a bit. We have an hour before it.
Just
Patay si Ningling.
Goes.
Okay, we got 3 stuff to cap. We got 3 outposts to cap.
Where's the gold?
Content than a bandit na.
I mean, we're gonna take the same thing always. We're gonna go Mountain Fed on edge and we're gonna hold it. If we hold anything else, we're gonna
One.
lose 1. Just wait, we have an hour. We have an hour.
Sinilin na naman. Kapatayin na naman.
Kain na mo. Wala akong spec eh. Bobo yung Zancher na account eh.
Uy, may nagkakara dun sa Avarods ng South. Baka pasok tayo dun. Doon tayo bomb squad.
Mag-wait kaya tayo ng ano.
Wah! Boom! Easy!
Which tier you are wearing?
What?
Which tier gear you are fighting with?
Tier 5, tier 4.
We're
Sorry.
doing
Overcharge.
testing.
Shitter like 4.1?
Yep.
Si Sush nag...
That's like my thing. That's my thing, you know? I always...
Look at my IP, bro.
Let me come back to East server. Okay, I'm back.
Follow nyo yung ano nyo. Follow nyo yung caller. Zero
Follow.
Jude yung caller. Follow caller.
San Zero Jude.
Our
Rapid
hero.
needs food, bro.
I'm using 8.3 food.
I have food, I will feed it.
Follow nyo Zero Jude. Siya yung caller eh.
Which
Walang
zone
spare
you're
charge
playing?
yan? Or low
Wala.
spec?
Wala pang
Zero spec.
walang spec.
Kasi na-charge wala. Bingot.
Ano, nakalock lahat.
Wala pa lahat.
Ha? Nag-54 ganking. Cheater sing.
Sa portal, north. Sa north.
North. Sa north.
North.
Not like... Artery steep?
Yes.
Yup. Bangko mo na tong 5M.
Uy,
Tulis na itong espada
Joke.
ko, kumikintab.
700k lang. Uy, si Nat, nandito. I-join sa amin. Nat, okay.
Paano natin kakat tong wala siyang sniper?
Tumami.
Awit tayo hero dyan.
Lakat matatag.
We want content. We want content. We want content. Uy, binubugbog ata sus. Guys! Sus is getting fucked. What's up?
Mobs ata yan.
Oh wait, where's Wash?
No, it's not mob.
Ayun. Duel yan.
Ay, gago nag-duel pala yung mga pingot. Putang ina nyo.
Shot ng baseball bat ka na.
Tara, hanap tayo ng objective. Baka
Sige.
ito-
Sige, balik ako portal. Hanap ko objectives.
Ano ba?
No east, no east, no east, no east.
Ang ina nito si Palong malala din.